Which one was your favorite squish of the day? There's so many fun squishies. Squishies, squishies. Ah!
You leave her alone.
Welcome to Cinnamon Girl TV, and today is a super squishy video! As you can see, we are wearing our super outfits.
I'm Batman.
And I'm Wonder Woman, and we are going to share some of our favorite squishies. We got a tub of squishies here, and
we have Squishies, so
what do we have?
A squishy mushy. So,
and what kind is it?
YOLO
Froyo.
So I'm gonna start opening it.
We're gonna review the newest squishy. Oop, you're making me nervous.
I'm good.
So you have to peel off the plastic first. It's a little like
open it. Alright.
Plastic thing.
It's the unicorn! I wanted the unicorn because Brownie, if you know him,
you've seen him in our other vlogs.
And he ripped apart my unicorn. But this one's pretty because I think it's like an ombre. Good.
You see?
Okay.
So it's a super cute pink, and it's got a purple mane. And what is this here?
It's like a little flower. And now I'm opening its sidekick.
Oh, it's very soft.
I know. I'm opening it.
Ooh, I like this one. I like it.
No, you're not going to. Okay, so
this is series 2 of the squishy mushy. I always say squishy mushy.
Alright, so I'll tell you guys what its name is.
The unicorn.
YOLO unicorn and cotton. What is it?
Candy cotton.
Candy cotton.
Candy with an I. Candy with an I. And then
you can collect all of these other ones. I thought I was getting this bear because at the bottom it was white because of the sticker it comes with.
Oh, it was very tricky. And then it also comes with this little, is this a keychain?
Yes.
Little,
so you can,
what is that?
What?
It's like a drink.
It's a
slushy.
Comment down below if you think it's slushy or slurpy. I'm not sure. But it's very cute.
Packaging. All right, on to the next.
I chose this cat out, so these are toys too. There we go. That went easier than I thought.
Easy packaging.
And wow.
Soft and slow squishies. It's an ultra squishy. It's slow raz. See how it's slow, SLORIZE, slow raz.
So this goes very slow. And it feels
I think we can make that slower.
Yes.
So we learned a trick with squishies. If you'd like to make them a little bit slower rising.
Use a pin.
Yeah, if you just put a couple pin marks in it. It'll
so cute and smells like strawberries.
Keep it from expanding super fast. And you can't see the pin marks, they actually just disappear. So pretty cool.
I think I might.
This one's not as soft though.
I think I'm gonna name it Pumpkin because it looks like a pumpkin almost.
Yeah, I like that pumpkin. Not as soft as the unicorn. I like how soft a unicorn one was.
Alright, so next.
What do we got next?
This is just so cute.
So it is a, hang on for you, open it.
Mushy mushy.
Smushy mushy bentos. Oh so smushy, oh so squishy. Squeezable squishy friends. We got Riley Red Panda, Doddle Dumpling, the mini bottle, and
sushi.
It's sushi.
Ah, so cute. I love these, and then the bowl even has a face with chopsticks.
Oh, and the bowl is squishy little
and then
rice
we
bowl.
got so what is this? A pierogi? No.
I think it's a
dumpling.
A steamed dumpling.
Alright, so
it says you're so cute. You're so cute.
That's
adorable.
The fox. here's what you can collect.
Oh, this one is very squishy, like very slow rise. Hang on, we'll do this in a bit. We're gonna do the new ones first.
Right.
Then you can show the
So
other one.
I also got some of the same like
Other ones, other squishy guys. But we'll come to our older guys in a minute. But this one's very, very, very squishy. You can really, really squish it. And it's
the small ones
slow
are
rise.
less slow rising, but they're still
Very cute. I really like that it's in a
thank you.
a box, a food carton. It's super cute.
I want to go to the next one.
She's very excited about this one.
This one is awesome. I've never opened one of these.
But before she reveals it, remember to subscribe.
Hit that like bell button and the notification bell.
Right, to continue to see our vlogs.
Okay.
I
So
just want to
last
squish
one.
this one. I like it a lot. I'm gonna steal this unicorn.
Okay, so we got a baby bottle.
Yeah, this is the first time I've seen one of these. It actually, before you do it, look at this. Like, there's liquid in here. Like, it's very bubbly. It's kind of
Hold on, look.
white.
See.
Here, baby. Here, baby. Here's your bottles. Can you eat? Alright, be very careful.
I know.
So lots of top packaging again, and this is also a squishy mushy.
Yeah.
Is it? This is the squishy mushy baby edition, I guess. Version. I don't know.
I think
Collection.
I might get the skunk.
And
Hold on.
Oh, being very official here, taking all that off. So much trash. All right. So what do we got here? This is our first time opening one of these.
Frog sticker.
A what sticker?
A frog.
A frog sticker.
Show you guys that.
Baby with a froggy on its head.
Yeah. I think this is squishy.
Oh. Okay.
Yep. I'm gonna take this out because it's a little bottle.
So it says surprise babies. There's a baby in there.
Don't harm the baby.
I'm squishing the baby's head, I'm pretty sure.
Alright.
This seems like a big bottle for whatever's in this bag.
Alright, so the name, I get to name it.
Does it live in the bottle?
Maybe.
Or is it a birth certificate?
Yeah, on the back, there's a birth certificate. So comment down below which one you think I'm gonna get. I hope I get the unicorn one.
Is it Binky Baby Fitzy Frog? Okay, I'd say, was it Fluffy Fro? I'm not sure if that's how you say that. And Skunky Boo, Cuddly Cub, and Berry Moore, Sweet Peep, and Little Lammy, Boo Boo Bunny, and Cutie Cottontail, Missy Mane, and Sugar Hooves.
So this is the back, the birth
certificate. So you can put the baby's name, what date you got it, your
Today.
town, your name, first toy, first food, favorite flavor, baby's first squish, it's first squish time. Wow, that was a couple seconds ago. I squished it before it came out.
It's a frog.
Aww.
The eyes are creepy.
Oh, Binky Baby and Fitzy
Mom.
Frog.
Look at the eye.
No, oh, the frog eye. Oh yeah, the frog eye. I thought you meant the baby eyes. All right, so it is.
I'll deal with that later. I'll get some
It
Sharpies.
is. The frog eyes have little slits. It's a little disturbing.
This
I don't know how I
is
feel about that.
this one's cute.
And that's a baby frog. But yes.
The eyes are disturbing. But
Sorry.
I think I'll use Sharpie.
She may have to do a little creative remodeling on that one. So,
I'm gonna dump this on myself.
comment down
Nothing
below. Let us know of our new squishies, which was your favorite. And if there is another squishy brand out there that you like, let us know. And we will be more than happy to
Buy all of them.
not buy all of them, but try out more squishies. All right, so now Caitlin's very excited. She wants to show some of our older squishy friends.
So
And
this one I got out of a claw machine. It's my favorite. It's a little cat. It's my favorite.
this one is very, very, very soft. I really like this one too. This one's like Just super soft, and it's one of those squishies that if you've had a long day or you're stressed or you just need that extra cuddle, this is the squishy to squish.
It's a cupcake, and it can talk.
Yeah, this cupcake has had a rough life. I don't know what Caitlin did to it. I don't know if she tried to eat. Did you try to eat the whipped cream?
No, I like pulled it apart. And
These
those
are not
were
supposed to be
air
there.
bubbles. So I put some
They were air
foam
bubbles or poke holes. Ew.
They're air
Why are Why are they wet?
It's because I put glue on them, trying to hope that would seal it. Okay, so then I got this unicorn. It's really fat. It's like it has fur on it.
So it's like a fuzzy squishy. It's a little bit different than the rest of the squishies, but we still think he belongs in our squishies. Does he have a name?
It's rainbow glitter parts.
I can't even right now. I'm gonna put this one over here.
And then I got a banana.
Unana. What is it?
A banana.
Unana. It's a keychain one, so you can hang it on your backpack or I guess your purse, your keys. It's not all that squishy.
And then
It's not very soft.
I colored this. It's kind of hard from the thing we used. Like they gave us the markers.
Difficult to color?
Yeah.
I was gonna say it looks pretty squishy and soft to me. It doesn't look very hard.
It's kind of hard. Like
it was difficult. The marker it was weird.
it was flaky.
Got flaky and runny, so this guy may need a makeover in the very near future because he's a very sad kid. I'm so sad. I'm so sad. Look at me. Love me. Love me. Ow! Poor kitty.
Almost another decapitated one.
So poor Gutatama.
My dog got it.
Did he get it or did you do that?
My dog.
Just try to crack the egg.
So my dog got it. The first one I got and ripped it apart. So then my mom bought me another one, and then like I was twisting it, and then the next day I was just rolling and it broke.
I feel like this is our third. I feel like we have a couple Gudatamas.
So then I colored the inside.
I don't know what she's doing. I don't know. So, would you want this to your inside of your egg? Like that? I wouldn't recommend eating that soda egg. But we do love our Gutatama, even though he was very squishy and fun. Now he's just very sad.
Alright, so then we got this heavy little lion. It has huge Orbeez in it.
So he's very, he's different. He's not a soft squishy, but he is a very satisfying squishy. If you like the Orbeez feeling, he's fun. Look at this all day.
So.
Oh, what is this? What is this one?
Oh, it's like a leaf.
There's like some green ones in
like,
there.
The green one's like a leaf.
That's very odd.
Alright.
One random green Orbeez.
So this one's disgusting. It's barf. And I also had an eyeball. The Squishy ones. I gave my dad the eyeball, and I got a Shopkins Squishy. They're kind of hard. I wouldn't recommend them.
Yeah, this one's just gross. Is that?
It's puke.
Alright. That was uncalled for.
Okay, so then I got a mesh ball. We weren't sure if it were a squishy or not.
It's totally a squishy.
But I decided to do that because my mesh ball doesn't get very much attention. I have one without the mesh on it, but it makes this weird noise.
So, let's back up a second. Yeah, we had maybe 6 or
I cut them all
7, maybe 8 of these squish balls, and someone decided she needed to know what was in every single squish ball and cut them all open. Although they were all exactly the same inside. They had different colors.
Well, there's just one that I took the net off and I have it in my room. And then there's glitter in it.
So yes, we had lots of those at one point in time.
This is a macaroon. The filling fell out. Like these ones are hard, and I was just doing this and the filling fell out. So.
Mm-hmm. You know,
It's a Dollar Tree Squishies.
So. Yes, so we got our $1 worth out of that one.
And so we got this. It's very soft.
Giant squishy monkey.
Mm-hmm.
What's his name?
I didn't name him.
We're gonna call him Pop.
No.
I don't know.
Oh, it's Freddy.
Freddy. Oh,
From-
Freddy.
Okay, so we got these silicone squishies.
And are they squishy mushy squishies? I think they might be.
I'm not sure.
I'm not sure either.
I don't think they are. I think they're Squishies. I'm not sure.
You might be right.
If you know
I
what
don't
these
know.
are, please comment down below what they
I'm
are.
doing my favorite one. This is my favorite one. This baby macaroon. It's so soft.
Hold on, who does that go with?
It's got this tiny little face. It's super cute.
I think it goes to this one.
I think you might be right. I think they
It's a
came
pizza,
together.
and the pizza goes with another.
It was a whole
pizza.
food situation, but
And
it's
then-
so soft and squishy. I love it.
And this cake's really soft. And then this is a fox. It goes with these.
So there were the collections like the food
Yeah, it's the
package,
Squishies.
the Squish Delish. And this guy's really cute. I don't know what he has on his head, but
He has sauerkraut.
sour cream
So,
and some guacamole. His guacamole head, and a mustache. So this is so far our squishy collection. So we definitely need to get. We're actually missing quite a few, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure where they got to. We'll have to. We have some food ones I think that are missing, right? A watermelon.
yeah, the watermelon's in my dad's car.
Oh well, things kind of disappear once they go into the dad's car. So we'll try to find that. Maybe we'll do another squishy video here. Some more squishy reveals.
You guys are having squishy time without me?
What's that?
We'll see.
What is that?
That is
That's
Moj Moj.
my thing
Oh,
to do.
you can watch me play it. It's cool. It's cool.
What is this thing?
Moj Moj. It
Can
comes
I
with
please
6
play?
eggs and it's a claw machine. So we will see. No cheating. You can't peek.
Oh, I
You gotta
thought you
pick
were-
them up. What? Hope the eggs don't break.
Don't break the eggs.
Can I please play first?
Oh, there's.
Oh, you scared Brownie.
Sorry about that. Alright, would you like to do the honors?
Sure. Coin, please. These are fake coins. You don't want to waste your real money at this one.
Yeah, because it's the angle that's messing it up.
Just seeing if there was one that she could go for. I think it'll get easier as there's less eggs, I think.
Maybe we need to.
Oh, no cheating. It's a game of skill.
Oh, we got one. Pick it up. Go.
The chain's not working.
No, go the other direction.
There you go.
There you go. Now bring it this way. Oh, she might have one.
Let's see. I'm super excited. What's
It's
gonna
a
be
seal
inside? Open up.
Oh,
Woo! All right. I don't want to block it. Which one does over here for now? All right. The suspense is building. Crack it.
nice. Careful, it's an emoji in there.
It's a cat. It's a cat.
It's a silicone kitty.
But I got it. It's a little kitty.
He's so cute. Is he squishy?
Is he smelly?
Oh.
I guess it's not one of the good scented kind.
Ooh. It's like
Oh, why did I do that after you both made that scene?
it's like a crayon
Can I
and a
please
tire. I
try
don't know.
once more?
Sure.
Yay! It's like carnival games. If you
Sorry,
don't play,
I'm like
you play
lucky.
over and over again.
We'll blow it this way.
All right, let's see. What else we got?
Oh,
All right, now she's got it down. She got the
see,
technique.
I couldn't throw her off.
No. Now she's unstoppable. And our next one is. Take that plastic off first.
She's trying.
Gotta do the right steps. And it's a baby!
Chicken!
What?
Tweet, tweet, tweet.
I know that chicken.
Such an animal. Such a little beastie.
It's stuck on my lip.
Let's see it. All right, so please
Claw machine.
Claw machine is a. Do we like it?
Yes, I want to open the rest.
No, we didn't get a turn yet.
Yeah, for reals.
All right.
But
Mama Bear,
oh my god, this is so much pressure.
do it. You can do it. Come on. You climbed a mountain in flip-flops. You can do this. Oh, I think that's it.
Right there. Go down a little more. Good. Pick it up.
No!
Now pick it up. That's good. Pick it up.
There you go. You got it. Yeah, you can do the rest.
My leg is all hard.
What's that?
I don't got it.
Oh, nice catch.
Can I open it?
Why don't you get the next one? No! No! This is my egg.
Can I crack it on my head?
Oh, I'm going for skill level 3. See if I can get it while it's running out of time. No, I don't think I have enough time.
Apparently I can't even get the plastic on.
Oh, does he have enough time?
Can he do it? Can we do it? I think he's cracking under the pressure.
Like that. That one actually hurt.
He sounded pretty.
It's a glittery bunny!
Run it, run it,
I
run it.
lost my egg. I lost my egg.
You're supposed to lose your marbles with your egg. Crack the egg.
Almost there.
Can I crack it on my head
Sure,
again?
there's so many puns right now that we're missing that it's just.
Yeah.
Go for the next one. Go for the next one. Go, 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 go. Ooh, ooh. You gotta move it.
Will I crack under pressure? Ow!
Oh my goodness, he's dead. Ooh, drop it down, drop it down. There you
What
go.
is that?
Go, 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 go.
Oh, like that was gonna smell any better.
Why are you smiling?
I don't know. Smell it.
Ew.
Smell it.
There you go. Oh no, but you're so close.
Oh, there's a baby on top.
I don't think I have it.
Baby.
Go, you can do it. Go, go, down, 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 down. Get it back up.
What are you doing? Stop,
Other
go
way.
the other way.
Start moving this way. Oh!
Ow.
I got this. What?
Try it again.
Did you open the last one?
Yeah.
It had a baby.
On top of it.
All right.
Okay, so this was
The
the
claw
last
of
one.
shame. That's what I'm calling this. The claw of shame. Last. What is this one? What's this called? The new.
Moj Moj?
Moj
Moj Moj?
Moj. Oh my god.
You could hear the impact.
Kid. This kid. I don't even know what to say. Savage. She's a savage.
I didn't raise her like that. Maybe.
We got
Probably
a
gets
white,
every meal.
white elephant.
So we had a sparkly bunny. What did you get? What is this guy? A squid,
I guess it's a squid.
a ducky, and I didn't see this one. What is that one?
It's a pig with a pig on.
Ooh, that's cool.
Oh, look how tiny the baby pig is.
He's adorable. He's adorable.
Anyway,
Don't mind her. She's weird.
there's the pressure of the claw. So comment down below. Let us know which one was your favorite squish of the day. There's so many fun squishies. Squishies, squishies. Ah!
You leave her alone. Oh, not this one. This one's kind of heavy.
And remember to hit that like button and subscribe and stay tuned for more fun.
Oh, that's a hard egg.
I'm the greatest of cinnamon girls.
Why am I getting